How to update Facebook Messenger on iPhone. In this quick video, I'll show you how to update the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So let's get into it. First things first, open the App Store on your iPhone. Next, simply tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner and search for Messenger. Here, if you find an update, you'll be able to see that. Simply tap on update if you can find update. And that's it. That's how you can simply update the Messenger app. You can also what you can do is tap on your profile icon at the top and scroll down to simply updates. Here, as you can see, if there are any update available, you can simply update it through here. And that's it. That's how you can simply update Messenger on your iPhone.